Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Looks like she is getting a pixie here. Getting some color. Ooh, this is super cute. I love the texture that the stylist did here. A nice amount of choppy layers. And the blonde, of course, looks beautiful. Very cute makeover. I love her makeup too. So heading into the next transformation, we have someone with shoulder length hair. Stylist cuts off just a tad bit of hair, doing a nice little cut refresh here. Very nice. Beautiful, classic off-center bob. Gorgeous. So for look number 3, we have a long to short makeover. So she started off with about mid-back length hair. The stylist is going quite short here. This bob has some beautiful shine to it. This bob is also a classic. It does feature the off-center part as well. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. She has a thick head full of hair as well, so the stylist is cutting that hair off. There is the before. And there is the after. Another gorgeous classic bob makeover. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.